Hi, welcome everyone to Weekly Market Podcast with Jagadish Chandran. Today we will be discussing about what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty from here on and discuss on stock specific action with interesting chart setups to focus on. Last few days we have been seeing markets consolidation and with Nifty oscillating between 19,450 on the downside and 19,850 on the upside. Finally, to close the week around 19,750 zones. Bank Nifty on a weekly note traded between 43,800 on the downside and 44,900 on the upside to close below last week's close, which was 44,287 zones. Crude correction is a welcoming for the markets. Now, indices in range awaiting for the range breakout, which could be the trend decider and trend confirmation in the coming sessions. Overall, to summarize, stock specific actions to continue. Focus on stock specifics to build your long-term portfolio in staggered approach for wealth creation to achieve your financial goals. Nifty range would be 19,600 to 19,900 zones. Sustaining below 19,600, 19,450 zones, Nifty can see profit booking aggravating and opens the gate for 19,200, 19,100 zones. Only sustaining above 19,850 can test levels of 19,900, 20,000 zones. Bank Nifty range would be 43,800 and 44,900 zones. Sustaining below 43,800 might see levels of 43,500, 43,200, resistance placed at 44,900, 45,000 zones. Sustaining only above 44,900 can push index towards 45,100, 45,400 zones. Stocks to focus would be IndusInd Bank, Sun Pharma and McDowell's. That's all for now. Hope enjoyed listening to our podcast and useful for your trading decisions. Kindly do subscribe to our channel for more market updates and market insights. Do share it to your friends and hit the like button. Thank you. Happy investing and safe trading. Take care.